This video will cover the adjustment of ExoSlides to achieve the ideal bearing tread preload. The goal is to have the bearing treads just come in contact with the rail. Each ExoSlide has 2 preload bolts, one for each set of bearings. Note the bolt heads do not touch the ExoSlides as delivered, and have a 1 mm gap between the bolt head and the slide body. On some rails, all the ExoSlide bearing treads already contact the rail without the need for adjustment. On other rails, the ExoSlide bearing treads may not all contact the rail and need adjustment. Start with one set of bearings first. Tighten until the bearing treads come in contact with the rail, but not so tight that the wheels are difficult to remove from the rail. You're aiming for just a slight drag when the wheels are removed from the rail. Repeat this process with the other set of bearings. The ExoSlide should slide freely once adjusted. The low contact force results in less rolling friction for better performance.